Hello everyone, just wanted to share a quick screencast tutorial about how to get to a really great resource that connects Newsela with Better Lesson. So if you go to Google and you go Newsela Learning Domain, and you'll get to this first thing that comes up, Newsela Learning Domain Better Lesson Coaching. Click on that. And here's a site by Better Lesson that gives you a whole bunch of strategies that teachers can use in connecting Newsela with best practices from really great educators. And if you look at the master teachers on this site, you'll notice a whole bunch of Newsela fellows on this that contributed. So, Christine, Kristen, Sarah, Monica, and Tyler is part of the support that we've been receiving as a Newsela fellow. So I want to go into a strategy that Kristen highlighted because I thought that it was really great to illuminate the potential of this site and to share it with others. So the one that popped out to me was this gamification of Newsela through Newsela Bingo. So although there are plenty of great resources to choose from, this one really caught my eye. So I wanted you to click on it to check in it. Kristen created a video that you can press to walk you through the lesson, but also there's all these implementation steps around the strategy. So it doesn't just give you a video, but it gives you before, during, after, recommended Newsela text sets, EL modifications, culturally responsive teaching, and learning considerations, all in one place, which is really, really great. It also links you back to the Education Center if you'd want to have more information about how to do searches or types of articles in Newsela. So it's a good link between Newsela, the Educator Center, and Better Lesson. So here's what's really great about this site is that the master teachers have shared very freely. So if I go into the Newsela bingo card, and this is something that Kristen created but is sharing on this site, and you click on it, it'll send you to an example Newsela bingo. But let's say you wanted to change any part of this. You could request edit access, but that would change the master. So instead, you would you would file and make a copy. Okay, and when you make a copy of it, what happens? You could label this whatever you want for your purposes, right? So I mean, I could label it as Mitsuda just to know that this is my copy, and then open it in that way. And then now what I have is an editable copy that I can go in and change these bingo squares to whatever I want. Maybe the focus is going to be on famous speeches, or maybe it's going to be on primary sources, and I can put more emphasis on that. There can be more, customization. I also really appreciate how Kristen thought about adding a point for minimum annotations and maybe completing the writing prompt. You can change this to be whatever you would like it to change it to for what your purposes are to customize this activity for your students. So just wanted to highlight that there's this great resource out here that has a lot of different resources. I mean, this is just one of many, and if you go back to all the resources that were provided and check any of these great educators they have, and you can also see more strategies through this Better Lesson website. So hopefully this was helpful, and hopefully you can find something on this great website to use with your students. All right, everyone, take care.